Hi, this is Adrian Ficcioni from AxSys Performance, and this is another video from our AxSys Analysis Dashboard series, with today's focus on our reporting and exporting functions. So to start with, I'm going to use a session that we have viewed previously. And to begin with, I'm just going to select several splits based on visually work that looks like it's been completed. So I've now made those split selections. I'm then going to apply them to all players by clicking on Choose Players. I'm going to select them all, apply the splits, click Yes. And now those splits have been applied to the 4 players. At that stage, I go up to the drop-down menu on the top right-hand corner, click on that, and then you'll see that there is a Report button. Click on Report. A window will pop up showing you the information that's going to be displayed. And at this stage, I'd like all of those, so I click Generate. OK for the notification. The report will be generated, and a link will be displayed shortly down the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. I click on the PDF. And here we have a PDF report showing the raw numerical data for all players, the split chart where we did the split selection, meters per minute data, then descending order for all the key metrics, the heat map, and then the actual 4 splits themselves applied to the 4 players, and all the metrics are appropriately displayed. Now, if I want to generate a more detailed report, I can click on the Export button. So if I already have the selected splits for the players and they've been applied to the players, so I can now click on the Export button on the right-hand corner here, Export. It's going to ask me to save the changes which I need to do for the export to work appropriately. So click on Save Changes. Just click OK for the notification. And then there'll be some processing done behind the scenes. And you'll then receive another notification saying that you're ready then to proceed with the exporting of all the information. Here we are, OK. I then go back up to Export and I press Export one more time. I then select whichever metrics that I would like to see, and there's quite a few you can select from. Distance metrics, load metrics, speed metrics. I'm going to select them all and click Export. Then an Excel file is generated. I can click on that. And now what we get is an Excel report that has several different features. The first feature, or the first table, is that of the 4 athletes with the total session. So not the splits, but the actual total session and total time and distance and all the other metrics that have been measured. Then the second table shows just the split selected component of that full session, so removing maybe warm-ups and cool-downs and periods of time where the athlete's standing around doing nothing. Then it breaks it into the 4 splits that we selected, split 1, split 2, split 3, split 4, and each athlete is shown their splits for the particular split that was highlighted and selected. And then finally, if you scroll across to the right-hand side, you'll see that there's a huge number of metrics that have been selected. And over time, there'll be some metrics that are more important than others, and you may only then select a small number of these that you then want to export and potentially send to athletes or other coaches.